Opening, do you know what canine heartworms are and how they can affect your beloved dog? These parasitic worms, scientifically known as Dirofilaria immitis, can pose a serious threat to your furry friend. They live in the pulmonary arteries and sometimes even in the heart of dogs. These worms can grow up to a foot long and cause substantial damage to the dog's lungs and heart. This can lead to respiratory issues, weight loss, weakness, and right-sided congestive heart failure. Closing. It's clear that these worms can drastically reduce a dog's quality of life and in severe cases, lead to death. Now that we understand the seriousness of canine heartworms, how can we prevent them? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Prevention is far easier and much less harsh for your furry friend than treating an active infection. It's important to be aware of factors that might increase your dog's exposure to heartworms. These can include the presence of wild canine populations nearby, since foxes, coyotes, and wolves can all contribute to the spread of these pesky parasites. Additionally, regional differences in climate and ecosystems, such as elevation, humidity, rainfall, and temperature, can all play a part. Regular preventive measures are essential and can greatly reduce the risk of your beloved pet suffering from heartworm disease. Prevention is not just easier, it's also much kinder on your dog than dealing with an active heartworm infection. So, how can you know if your dog has heartworms? Understanding this is essential to your pet's health. Yearly blood tests are recommended for all dogs over 7 months old. These tests are vital in detecting heartworm infections early, which can be a lifesaver. If you're not giving preventatives regularly every month, or if you've recently switched preventatives, more frequent testing may be necessary. It's all about staying ahead of the game and keeping your furry friend safe. If your dog does test positive for heartworms, don't panic. Your veterinarian will be there to discuss the different treatment options available. Remember, early detection of heartworms can save your dog's life, making regular testing a vital part of responsible pet ownership.